With all the new mobile devices out there, it's become even easier to take your work with you. While devices like laptops, ultrabooks, and tablets are convenient, some lack a full range of ports to connect to all your peripherals. At the office or at home, you don't want to be restricted to a small screen. You want to be able to spread your content out to view your work across multiple screens. DisplayLink technology enables a single USB port on your laptop or Windows 8 Pro tablet to connect to all of your desktop components, monitors, network, audio, and other USB peripherals. Connect a single USB cable from your device to a DisplayLink-enabled dock to easily stay connected to your entire office. Even tablets and mobile devices can spread out content over multiple displays, giving them the connectivity power of a desktop system. Connect a Windows 8 Pro tablet, and the tablet screen can be displayed to provide a large screen experience. Connect more monitors to span content and applications easily. When you're ready to hit the road again, unplug the USB cable. All of your applications move back to the mobile screen, and you're back on the move.
The VT1000 Universal Dual Display Dock from VisionTek. This universal dock enables you to expand your computer into a complete workstation. The VT1000 is ideal for on-the-go business environments that need quick access to expanded ports and universal compatibility. This full-featured USB dock allows your laptop to perform like a desktop by adding peripherals such as a full-size keyboard, mouse, external hard drive, printers, webcams, projectors, and more. This high-quality dock enables you to take full advantage of up to 2 monitors and full 1080p HD technology, even if it isn't natively supported by your computer's video card. The VT1000 is equipped with 3 USB ports, an HDMI port, a VGA port, a 2-channel headphone jack, audio line in for a microphone, an RJ45 Ethernet port, display port, and a security lock slot. Perfect for keeping cable clutter off your desk. Compatible with Apple MacBook, Ultrabook, Microsoft Surface Pro, and other Windows-based PCs, laptops, and tablets. The VT1000 Universal Dual Display Dock ships with a USB 3.0 cable, user manual, and a power adapter. The VT1000 is plug-and-play certified by DisplayLink and backed by an industry-leading 2-year warranty. The VT1000 Universal Dual Display Dock from VisionTek. Expand your laptop into a complete workstation.
With today's technology comes portability. Laptops, tablets, and Ultrabooks are awesome tools for busy people on the go. Tablets and Ultrabooks are limited in screen size and are often lacking in ports. Imagine using them more effectively. The Diamond DS3900 is a docking station that enables multiple USB devices to be connected to your laptop or Windows tablet. With a single USB cable, you can connect multiple monitors in HD 1080p as well as your USB keyboard, mouse, and other USB devices. All of your devices can stay connected to the DS3900 docking station. Leave one in your office and one in your home. The Diamond DS3900 Ultra Dock. Get yours today.
Jeffrey was up all night rehearsing his presentation. With only a small travel bag in hand, he grabbed a multi-port adapter so, no matter the IT setup of the client's boardroom, Jeffrey could not only confidently get the job done, but impress. And impress he did. Nina walked away eager to start her next big project. Nina was a PC user, the only one on the graphic design team. But the docking station didn't care. It was compatible with all. With so many ideas swirling around, Nina quickly got to work on her multi-monitor workstation. A smile spread across her face as she worked, turning her inspiration into productivity. She was totally nailing it. As with any major IT deployment, Peter had his work cut out for him. He had many desk setups to complete with very little time. He breathed a sigh of relief. Docking stations with no drivers to install and no cables to find meant no deployment headaches to stand in his way. Every day, in many languages around the globe, StarTech.com makes it easy for IT and business professionals like Jeffrey, Nina, and Peter to connect their critical productivity tools. Hard to find, made easy. This is what we do at StarTech.com. Happy to help. To find your perfect laptop docking station, visit us at www.startech.com.